Yes.
The law and the process and the procedures protects her, and she should not be worried of any insecurity or getting insecurity over this issue.
Yes, unless it goes to Parliament then.
Yeah, unless it goes to Parliament.
Yes.
But I said if he develops a thick skin, because if the machinery wants her out, then there is no other way other than to step out.
Is it ever okay to say, Castro, that if somebody ever wanted out of office, it has to be from Treasury then?
From Treasury?
From Treasury Department.
No, you can't conclude that way.
Is that what, Castro?
You know, there's something that is,
yes.
You know, the office politics is deeply rooted, and the public will never know about what is happening in these public offices.
Yes.
You know, because these politics inside the offices and inside on the desks of these senior people has a lot of manipulations, negotiations, and of course coercion and compromises. So maybe for her, actually in this case, you know, but the courts, there's so many ways of solving these disputes, including gentleman's agreement to solve this issue outside the court, because that's the case that on her case and the complaint, that's what they agreed to do.
Yes.
But maybe if it's a witch hunt, and that's the case that I was trying to interrogate and looking at in a different angle. Even the state or her office being budgeted, or her salary being budgeted thrice her annual salary, maybe she was smart enough to not take that offer, because maybe any common pedestrian in those offices would take
jump at it immediately.
That's an offer that he or she could not refuse.
That's it.
And maybe that was it was of course a way to get to her as a or tarnish her name, or name her as a corrupt, deceiving the rise of her salary, and yes, she's not complaining, and I think that must be a smart or a bold step to call it out, and of course to say that, say, I'm not supposed to receive this amount. It is 3 times what I should be getting, and maybe that was a plan, but it failed to work out. I was trying to figure it out.
Does it?
Yeah, sure.
Gentlemen, I want us to leave Margaret Nyakango and exactly where she stands at this particular point, because it looks as if it's a case that we have to track 9 years back. The main complainant in that particular case is saying, well, I'm okay, I've got no problem, I feel like my case was handled. It is now back to Margaret Nyakango. 10 of them were charged at a Mombasa court. The details of the story is that she was released on a 2 million shillings bond with a surety of the same case of 500,000 Kenyan shillings. We'll leave it there. I'll be